I wanted to come on here and share this unit with you, lovies. This unit was sent to me by a company called Aligrace. Aligrace is sponsoring this video, so thank you so much, Aligrace, for sponsoring this video and sending me this cute Brazilian kinky curly unit. Yes, it is a Brazilian. Had to check the ethnicity of the unit. So yeah, but it is Brazilian kinky curly unit, and it looks like this. I will insert like the packaging and all that stuff somewhere in this video, but it did come pre-plucked. As you can see, I love the way this hairline looks. I love how it's plucked. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs and your adjustable straps as well. The combs, I will be cutting out this unit because I have no hair, so I need no combs. So yeah, but I'm going to usually I just take my razor, handy dandy razor, and I just slide it right underneath, just glide right underneath that comb. So let me show y'all if I can do it. And you want to take your time doing it. Usually once you hit that first piece of thread, it's good to go. Like soon as you hit the beginning, as you can see, it's coming right off. So I don't leave my combs in, like I said, because they'll be more uncomfortable than helpful when wearing the unit. So especially up here where the lace is, you want to be very careful cutting, because you don't want to cut a hole in your lace. So you just glide right underneath, as you can see. And these razors are perfect for doing this. I do not recommend using a pair of scissors because you don't want to put holes in your cap. And of course, if you want extra security, you can sew on elastic band. Usually I only use elastic bands when I am constructing my own unit. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing, but I'm going right underneath the threading of the comb where it's sewn down to the cap. And you really want to tilt your razor more closely to the comb itself, not towards the cap. So it just looks like that. It does not mess it up whatsoever. And I'm gonna remove this one. Just go right underneath. And I chose not to, I chose not to bleach the knots on the unit because I've been using if you've seen my recent videos, WIG, WEAVIEWs, I've been calling anything dealing with hair WEAVIEWs. My recent WEAVIEWs, I've been using the Sally Hansen like bronzer spray to spray on my cap. So I really haven't been using the bleaching them because it definitely hides your knots very well. And then on this lace. I love the way this lace looks because you really can't see the knots. Like, they look very, very good. See? You really can't see the knots. So I am going to down below include a video on how I lay my cap, because I will not be doing my cap and all of that in this video, because I pretty much do the same thing with my cap. So I won't be doing all of that because it will make this video extra long. But I do have a video, very detailed tutorial on how I lay my cap and all that good stuff. That will be linked in this video up here and down below in the description box. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply this unit and style this unit. Oh, I also forgot to mention that it does have some lace right here at the bottom too. So yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and apply this unit and style it, and I'm going to come back. I think I'm going to cut it in like a bob, not real short, but just a little off of my shoulders, because this is a 16-inch. I wish I would have got it a little bit longer. But yeah, and I'm also going to include the links and everything down below. If I have any coupon codes for you lovies, they will be down below in the description box. So definitely stay tuned. Hey my lovies, want to come back and show y'all the final results of this unit. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. I love the luster. I love the way the lace looks. I just love the way it came out. So yeah, this is it. Like I said, I chopped some of the ends off. Not a lot, but kind of like gave it like a blunt, asymmetrical bob look. So yeah, hope you lovers enjoyed this simple hair review, and definitely check down below for Aligrace information. Thank you so much, Aligrace, for sponsoring this video. I love, love, love this hair. Y'all go and check them out. They are an Amazon-based hair company, and the customer service is everything. Their prices are everything. So yeah, definitely check them out and give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate y'all.